Relax and learn English for weekend activities. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to relax, take it easy, and focus on an exciting topic: relaxation activities during weekends and holidays. This will not only improve your English but also give you great ideas on how to spend your leisure time. Let's dive right in. Relaxation refers to the activities we engage in during our free time to unwind and distress. It can be anything from reading a book to playing sports, depending on individual preferences. Mastering the vocabulary related to relaxation will help you in your everyday conversations about your weekends and holidays. Here, we're going to talk about common relaxation activities. 1. Reading a book, a classic way to unwind and enjoy some alone time. In English, you might say, "I like to read a book on the weekends." 2. Watching a movie or TV series. This is a popular choice for many. You could say, "My favorite way to relax is by watching a good movie." 3. Gardening. If you have a green thumb, you might enjoy this. You could express this by saying, "Gardening helps me relax and enjoy the outdoors." 4. Walking or hiking. For those who love to stay active even during their downtime. You might say, "I love to go for a walk or a hike to relax." 5. Cooking or baking. A creative and delicious way to unwind. You could say, "Cooking is my go-to relaxation activity." Try to use these examples in your daily conversation. To describe how these activities help you relax, use phrases like, "helps me unwind," "helps me distress," or "puts me at ease." For example, you can say, "Reading a book really helps me unwind," or "Cooking a meal puts me at ease." It's equally important to be able to ask others about their relaxation activities. Here are a few examples. 1. What do you like to do to relax? 2. What's your favorite way to unwind on the weekends? 3. What relaxation activities do you recommend? That wraps up our discussion on relaxation activities during weekends and holidays. Now you should have some great phrases to talk about your leisure activities, ask others about theirs, and understand their responses. Practice these phrases and enrich your English conversational skills. Remember, the key to learning is regular practice. Happy learning, and enjoy your relaxation time.